Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a character on Taki Soulful AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing is to simply get logged in into your Taki account. So you can simply continue with your Google and create an account itself by simply typing in your birth date and stuff like that. So once you have done this, simply hit the confirm button and then select your profile. After you have done this, you can simply start by clicking on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen and tap on Create My Talkie. Now you can feel free to select the appearance like male, female, non-binary and stuff. The app offers a variety of character styles that you can choose to match your vision. You can also add a reference image and image prompt, and you can also select your voice. So by doing this, you can create an avatar or character on Taki Soulful AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.